If you've been looking for a house in Lake Nona, like new home, and you haven't been to Eagle Creek, this house is worth your attention. I'm Fabiola Meneses with the Weimer Group Realty here in Orlando, and today I'm gonna walk you through this house in 13531 Abberwick in Lake Nona, Eagle Creek. Come see it. So now before we walk in, let me tell you why this one stands out. Because Eagle Creek, we got different styles of homes here. But this house, the condition, it's like new condition. Look at the exterior of the paved driveway. Paved driveway. Tile roof. They're all block construction. I think the upstairs may be frame, but it's all block. Concrete block construction. See? And I'll take you to the inside. As soon as you walk in, you get the open concept layout immediately. This is one of the things that buyers consistently ask for, and this floor plan delivers it well. The main living space flows from the entry through the living room and dining area, all connected. There's no wall between the kitchen and the living space. Flooring is tile throughout the main areas. All first floor has tile. Ceiling fans, some people are fan, they like it. Sliding doors to the back open to this covered porch. The interior space, square footage wise, we have 2,481 combined with the two floors. For the total structure area, including the garage, you will have 34,000 square feet. Show you the kitchen. Quartz countertops. This can be a breakfast bar. They have stools here. Very nice waterfall feature. All included. The appliances. We call it gourmet kitchen. Cooktop, range, built-in oven, microwave, fridge. So fully equipped kitchen. This is where you can connect the kitchen with the living space and creates that open flow again. Buyers really love this now. You can be cooking and still part of the conversation happening in the living room. Also on the main floor, we have the space right now. This is a bedroom, fourth bedroom, but they have it set up as an office. One closet, one side, and another space for closet. Let me show you this cool fixture here. There's plenty of storage in this house. Under the stairs, plenty of storage. Let's go upstairs to find the other bedrooms. Here to my left, you'll find the primary suite. Very good size. It's a king size bed. Still got plenty of room. Bathroom, quartz countertops. Look at that shower, huge shower. Walk-in closet. This is the toilet room. Another bedroom. So we have a total of four bedrooms. I'll show you the one downstairs. This is a second bedroom upstairs. Full laundry room. Utility sink. Very convenient. A lot of people would like to have that utility sink. Very convenient. Another bathroom. Tub, the kids, very convenient. And this is an extended size bedroom. Look at all the space. This can be a bedroom, office with a view. Very good natural light. Yeah. This can be, well, right now they have it as a child's room. It can be a guest room, an office, really good space. So it's a larger than normal size room. They extended it with, originally with the builder, you had the option to extend this room. It has dual closets, which adds, you know, to their functionality. Now I'm gonna take you right back to downstairs and show you the backyard. And let's go to the backyard. This area is already pre-plumbed and pre-wired for a summer kitchen. Screen, very nice screened in lanai. Extended pavers. And fenced backyard. Great for kids, or if you have pets, they can be here. Play freely. Some bushes, so eventually they'll grow and you have more privacy. Again, the tile roof is not something super common you see around neighborhoods in Orlando. I think it's a great plus to have that tile roof. It lasts many, many years. Now, if you're relocating to Lake Nona, I just wanted to give you a quick tip. This location is great for to be close to the VA hospital. The schools here are great. Top schools, top rated school, elementary, middle, high school. You have a lot of things to do around here. And new construction, you cannot beat this. This is like new. This is built in 2022. It's a great home. And well, if you want to see this house in person, my information is down below, and you can call me, text me, email me, and I'll come give you a private tour.